College basketball season is in full effect, so I wanted to open up some Bowman Chrome Sapphire. This is the 23-24 edition. Has a lot of great players in here, both current college players as well as some players who have made it to the NBA. Some of them are in the G League, and some of them are women's college basketball players also. You can get autos in this, although not guaranteed. You are only guaranteed 2 numbered cards per box, so not a ton of value. There's the first numbered card, Scotty Middleton. That's a green /99. So you don't get any real guaranteed value out of these boxes, but there is a very high ceiling. Solomon Ball, great player. There's Bronny James. There's some autos in here of some big name players, Caitlin Clark included. Paige Beckers, a lot of the NBA first round picks like Dalton and Reed Shepherd, Rob Dillingham, Zach Reiseshay. Wooga, he's another good player currently in college. Caleb Love, the stud for Arizona. So we're still looking for 1 numbered card out of this box. Kalkenbrenner, he went for 49 the other night. There's a Dylan Dessou. There's another guy that is no longer playing, but that is a gold /50. And we got another one of his cards there. There's Paige Beckers, the star for UConn. So you can also get her autos in here, which go for several $100s already. Cameron Brink, first round WNBA pick. Xavier Booker, another first round WNBA pick, Angel Reese. So we're getting a lot of the big names. Steel Venters, Santiago is a great player. I think he's in South America right now. Edwards and RJ Jones. Tyler Kolek, the Knicks. I think he went in the second round. Garrison's great player. Filipowski playing for the Jazz. And Myro Little. I believe he is out of college now. All right, let's hit box 2. So a gold and a green in our first box. We'll see if maybe we could get a orange or a red, even a potential black. There's Reiseshay, first round, #1 pick in the NBA for the Hawks. Michaela Williams, she's a good player currently at LSU. There's Rob Dillingham and Jeremy Fears. He is still at Michigan State, supposed to have a good year. I believe he was out all last year. Elijah Martin, another good player. Isaiah Collier, orange, so that should be numbered to 25. Yes, 1 of 25. He's actually with Utah right now. Bryce Hopkins, great player for Providence. And Terrence Shannon, also a good player. I believe he transferred to Kansas State this year. Trey Norman, Blake Hinson, Freddie DeLeon, Stephon Castle, first round pick of the Spurs, and Isaiah Collier. So we get a lot of big names in here. Have not gotten a Caitlin Clark, but Johnny Broom, that is a yellow /75. He is Auburn's best player. Auburn looking to make a Final Four run this year. Blake Hinson, Baba Milan, very good player still in college, and then Jared McCain, who was with the Sixers now. AJ Hoggard green, that one is /99. Dylan Jones, Tyrese Proctor, very good player for Duke. All right, last pack of Bowman Sapphire U. Let me know in the comments what you think of this product, if it's something you would buy. For around 800 or so, or 180 or so a box. You do get a lot of good color out of here. So very nice cards, and like I said, very big names that you can potentially hit. So I would recommend picking one up and taking your shot to see what you could potentially get. Even the base cards are really nice with that sapphire look. A lot of NBA and WNBA first round players who don't yet have professional cards. So these are kind of the best cards that you can get of them. All right, thanks for watching.